Here, I welcome to all my dear students, myself Dr. J.K.Sali. Today, we are going to learn meaning and definition of forecasting, features of forecasting, steps in forecasting or process of forecasting, and importance of forecasting. So, let's start with the steps in forecasting or process of forecasting. Meaning of forecasting: management authority makes some predictions for effective planning and decision making. Forecasting functions enables the managers to anticipate future plan accordingly. Forecasting is a systematic of future events with the help of analysis of past and present events. Management looks a future and systematic and concerned way. Forecast will have to be constantly monitored and revised to the change in the business environment. In simple words, forecasting means a process of providing the details, supports the former results, namely budgets. In other words, forecasting means prior conclusions about the problems of production, sales, profits in the future on the basis of research, study and surveys. Definition of forecasting: Henry Fayol's definition. Business forecasting includes both assessing the future and making provision for it. Features of forecasting. The first is forecasting is considered with future events. It is necessary for planning in anticipate the future course of action. Forecasting the probability of happening of future events only to a certain extent. Next is a forecasting is made by analyzing the past and present factors, analyzing the data, statistical and mathematical tools and techniques are used. In this slide, now we will discuss steps in forecasting or process of forecasting. The first point is identifying and developing the groundwork for the future. In forecasting is developing the basis of systematic investigation of economic situation, position of industry and products. Managers should identify the strategic factors because factor future events which is not feasible or desirable to study. Thereafter, next point is estimating future businesses. The second steps involve the estimation of conditions and the course of future events within the industry. The future statistical and other techniques can be used. Third point is comparing actuals with estimated records. Forecasts are compared actual result to find out the reason for these varieties are to take corrective measures in the future. The last step in forecasting is improving the forecast process. The forecast and actual performance are found, then improvements can be made in the process of forecasting. Experience and practical help are required to make accurate forecasting. So, these were the various steps in forecasting or process of forecasting. In this slide, now we will discuss importance of forecasting. The first point is the essential of planning. It is a very important role in planning. Estimate the future, analyzing the past and present related data. Without forecasting, planning is not possible. Thereafter, next point is facilities management decisions. Forecasting brings accuracy in the management decision. The future is properly the management can proper decision. It improves the quality and validity of management decisions. Thereafter, next point is the regularity of production. Future demand is estimated by forecasting. It is help to regularize the production. Next point is cope up with changing environment. Business environment is ever changing, and proper forecasting helps the business organization to the changing environment. Thereafter, next point is contribution to business success. Success of businesses depends on accurate forecast, and proper forecasting help to identify and face environmental changes. It helps to reduce risk. It contributes to the success of the business and against social economic. And last importance of forecasting is smooth working of an organization. It is ensure the smooth and contributes working of an organization. Accurate forecasting helps the business organization from the impact of trade cycles. Forecasting also used for estimating sales and profits on the basis and cost. So these were the various importance of forecasting. Thank you.